Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my channel. Here, Mr. Adi. Today, I'm going to start the SIMnet project. So, if you want to get 100% grade in this project, you must follow this video step by step, and you will get 100% grade in this assignment. If you want me to do this project, I will do this just in 30 minutes and will give you a plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MATLAB, Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and Outlook also, and I will help you in your other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java, and the other courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses, and we have a guaranteed that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. It's better for you if you will make a deal for complete course. We will charge very reasonable price like student price, and if you will refer other students, we will give you a big discount also. Let's start this assignment. The name of this chapter is Excel 221 in practice, chapter 5, advanced project 5 to 7, advanced project 5 to 7. So heading is here. So skill covered in this project. So today we will cover this skill in this video. Group and format worksheet, create a static data consolidation, insert a picture in a header, create a smart or graphics, format size and position a smart graphic. So the main steps are here, and almost like 10 steps are given to perform this project, but the 7 steps are main steps which we will do. 8 steps is step is save and close the workbook, and upload. 9th step is upload and save your project file, and 10 is submit project your for grading. So these are not important. 7 steps are main um, steps which we will do in this video, and these are graded steps. Now step number 1. Our step number 1 is open the file with this name and click the enable editing button. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Okay, so basically in this point says that open your answer file, then you will see here enable editing. So I have already enabled this worksheet. So if you will see here enable editing, just click at enable editing. So then your file will be enabled. So next is the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. So basically in this point says that you don't have to save the file with your name because the program will add your name automatically. So you don't have to save the file with your name. So step number 1 is done. Now step number 2. Step number 2 is review and group worksheet. So step number 2 has 3 parts, part A, B and C. Now I'm going to do part A. Or part A is click the Illinois sheet tab and review the data. So we'll go in answer sheet and we will switch the worksheet, this one, this sheet, okay, sheet 1, and review the data. I also reviewed this data. And next is part B. Part B is click each of the remaining 3 state sheets to confirm that the data follows a pattern. So we will check these all worksheet and review the data. Okay. So part B is also done. Now part C. Part C is group the 4 sheets with state tab name. So we'll group these 4 sheets. So just click at the sheet 1, right click and select, just click at select all sheet. Okay. So all sheets are grouped now. So step number 2 is also done. Now step number 3. Step number 3 is format grouped worksheet. So step number 3 has almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 14 steps of 14 part of step number 3. So our part is type American River Cycling Club in cell A1 on the grouped sheet, format the font size as 20. So first we will copy this text, Control C, and we will paste this text in A1, cell A1 here. Just click here at formula bar and paste this data here. Press enter. Okay. And next is format the font size 20. So we'll change the font size. Select this again and go to font size, and we'll do the font size 18 or 20. 20. Okay. Okay. So part A is done. Now part B. Our part B is type National Race Day participation in cell A2 and format the font size as 18 pt. So we will copy this again. Copy this text and paste this text in A2 cell. Just click at A2 cell and just click on formula bar. Control V, paste this data here and press enter. So next is format the font size. Format the font size 18. So select this and go to font size, and we will do this 18. So part B is also done. Now part C. Part C is select cells A1 up to F2 and apply the center across selection command. So we will select the range A2 up to F2, copy this range. Okay. Go to text box and paste this text and paste this range here and press enter. So this range is selected now. After selected this range, we will apply the center across selection command. So go to alignment setting, and in text alignment we will just select the center across selection. After this we will click on OK. So part C is also done. Now part D. Part D is select cell A3 up to F12 and apply all borders. So we will copy this range and go to answer sheet and paste this range here in name box. Control V and press enter. So this range is selected now. After selected the range, we will apply the all border. So go to borders and we will apply all border. So part E is done. Now part E. Part E is select cell C3 and give the command to wrap the text. So first we will select the cell C3 and we will apply the wrap text. In alignment group we will just click that wrap text. Okay. So part E is also done. Now part F. Part F is set the width of column A up to B to 16. So we'll change the width of the column A to B 16. So we'll select this column, right click and just click at column width, and we will do this column width 16 and just click that OK. Part F is also done. Now part G. Part G is set the width of column C up to F to 10. So we'll select the column C up to F and right click, just click at column width, and we will do the column width 10 and just click that OK. So part G is also done. Now part H. Part H is format the height of row 3 to 30. So we'll change the height of row 3 to 30. So we will select the row 3 and right click, just click that row height, and we'll do this 30. So part H is also done. Now part I. Part I is format the label in row 3 bold and center. So again we will still select this row and then go to font Gary, and we will just apply the bold and also we will apply the center alignment. Part I is done. Now part J. Part J is adjust the width of column C to 12. So we will select the column C and right click column width, and we'll do this width 12. Okay. So part J is also done. Now part K. Part K is open the page setup dialog box and center the sheet horizontally on the page. So we will go to page setup. Just click here at page layout tab and then go to page setup setting, and just here we will apply the center the sheet horizontally. Okay, just go to sheet tab and we will apply the, sorry, go to margin and just click that horizontally, center page on page horizontally, and after this we will click that OK. So part K is also done. Now part L is insert a header with the file name in the left section. So again we'll go to page setup setting and just click that header and footer, and after this we will click that custom header. In custom header we will with the file in the left section. So just click here in the left section and we will insert the file name here, this one file name here. After this we will click right OK and OK again. So part L is also done. Now part M. Part M is click cell A1 and ungroup the sheets. So we will click here in cell A1 and just ungroup this worksheet. Okay, when you will click here at any sheet, then these worksheets are ungrouped. Okay, so step number 3 is completely done. Now step number 4. Step number 4 is consolidate 3 columns of data. So step number 4 has 5 parts: part A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now I'm going to do part A. Part A is click the static sheet tab. So we will click the static. We will insert the switch the static sheet. And next part B. Part B is click cell A5, consolidate result will start in this cell. You need not select arrange. So first we will just click here in cell A5 and consolidate result will start in this cell. You need not select arrange. Okay, so part B is also done. Now part C. Part C is consolidate the data from the 4 state worksheet using sum. So just click here and we will give the references of all sheet in cell A5. So just click here in cell A5 and then go to data and just click at consolidate. After click and after this we will click at reference and then go to sheet 1 and we will take the range here at the hash of riders like D4 up to F12. Okay, after this we will just click at add. So this range is add now, like this sheet is added now. Now we will add the second sheet, this one. Okay, so range is already selected. Then you will, so just check here, reference is already put it. So after this we will click at add. So this sheet is also this the range of this sheet is also added now. So next we will add the next range of Texas range. So range is already selected in Texas worksheet. Just check here. And after this we will click at add. Okay. The range of Texas worksheet is already added now. So we will add the Washington worksheet range. So this range is already selected. Just check here. And we will just click at add. And after this we will click at OK. So part C is also done now. Part D. Part D is apply all border to cell A5 up to A13 is C13. So copy this range, go to answer sheet, just paste this range in the name box and press enter. So this range is selected now. After selected the range, we will go to home tab and just click at border and we will apply the all border. So part D is also done now. Part E. Part E is center the sheet horizontally on the page. We will center the sheet horizontally. So go to page layout, page setup setting, and again just click that margin and we will center the sheet horizontally on the page. Okay. So go to page. Sorry. Tab. Just click that alignment. and we will apply here, enter, and just click that OK. Oh, sorry, Control Z, undo this. We will go to page layout. After here, we will click that page setup setting, and we will already horizontally and just click that OK. So part E is also done. Now part F. Part F is insert the footer with the file name in the left section. So we'll insert the file name in the left section. So we'll insert the footer node. So go to page setup setting. Just click that header and footer, and after this we click that custom footer. Just click that custom footer, and we will insert the file name in the left section. File name in the left section. Just click it in left, and we will insert the file name. Okay, after this we will click that OK and OK again. So step number 4 is completely done. I have done almost half of this assignment, like 50% I have done, because not 50-60% I have done, because total the main steps the total main steps 7. Okay, and I have done almost 4 complete steps. And our 8th step is save and close the workbook. It's not graded steps. And step 9 is upload and save your project file and submit project for grading. These 3 are not graded steps. Total steps 7 which are graded, and I have done almost 4 steps. So if you want to get complete assignment, I will do your assignment just in 30 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MATLAB, Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and Outlook also. And I will help you in your other courses also, like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java, and the courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses, and we have a guaranteed that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. It's better for you if you will make a deal for complete course. We will charge very reasonable price like student price, and if you will refer other student, we will give you a big discount also. Thank you for watching this complete video. Please subscribe this channel for upcoming assignments. Once again, thank you.